can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has seen resurrection in the altcoin market with altcoins pumping front, left, and center. The last 24 hours has been a little muted with only Uniswap giving us that crazy double-digit gains to the upside. Zcash has had the pullback around 18%. ICP is cooling down. Monero is also cooling down. But guys, one thing is sure, on a weekly, on a monthly time frame, the altcoin market is bubbling. The altcoin market is showing signs of life. We look at Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, held support around the $105,000 level. Is Bitcoin getting ready for the next move to the upside? Also look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. News stories going around the market. How high should we expect the altcoin market to go? How high should we expect Bitcoin to go? And why is sentiment still down even though we are seeing action in the altcoin market, even though Bitcoin trades above $100,000? Why is there fear in the cryptocurrency market? When is altcoin season going to happen? When will Bitcoin dominance dump? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market has seen bubbles over the last few years. We've seen huge pumps in the altcoin market, and those huge pumps eventually lead to huge dump. But that's why we're in the altcoin market, for the volatility that the altcoin market provides. The last 1 week has been an example of why market participants love the altcoin market. The last 1 week has seen Bitcoin, the king of the market, just rally by 1%. Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the market, rally by 1.4%. But take a general look at what has happened to the rest of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. 74% pump for Uniswap, 48% pump for Near Protocol. Soon is upturned down 44%. FET is up 79%. Filecoin is up 64%. ICP has seen a 35% increase, all in the last 1 week. And they still fear in the cryptocurrency market. That's a very good sign. When market participants are still scared and prices are going high, that's a very good sign, because guys, I believe a lot of market participants have over-indexed on Bitcoin. Right now, their portfolio is majority Bitcoin. They're expecting Bitcoin to be leading the charge. They're expecting Bitcoin to pump to higher prices. They have been conditioned to believe that the only way we can go forward in the cryptocurrency market is if Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices. They're partially right, because that's what happens. Majority of the market cycle, Bitcoin leads the way, the altcoin market follow. But when we get to the end of the cycle, when market participants are tired, just like we're seeing them right now, and tired, that's when altcoins start pumping. That's when we start seeing exit pumps in all of these altcoins. The last 1 month has seen altcoins like Zcash, ICP, Dash, Monero having the time of their life. I will not be shocked, guys, if in the next few weeks we see more altcoins catching fire. We see more altcoins pumping aggressively, having their blow off top. You see fear in the cryptocurrency market, slowly sentiment to shift towards greed. But by the time we get towards greed, by the time we get towards extreme greed, that will be the time to sell for some sweet profit. The mantra on this channel is to buy low, to buy when there's fear in the market, and to sell high, to sell when there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. That's why Bitcoin is still above $100,000. Ethereum above $3,500, and market participants are still scared because they have over-indexed on Bitcoin. A lot of them have run away from the altcoin market. They have been programmed by influencers and other market participants to believe there's not going to be altcoin season, to believe there's no hope in the altcoin market. I don't think this time is different, guys. I believe human nature is undefeated, with Bitcoin rallying up by 700% from the bottom of the bear market. I believe a lot of altcoins outperform Bitcoin eventually, and right now we're seeing early signs of those altcoins going on those gigantic runs. So I expect sentiment to improve in the coming days and coming weeks. I will expect Bitcoin maybe to struggle to get to new all-time highs. I'm not a believer in Bitcoin rally continuing to new all-time highs. I strongly believe that the rally is over. I believe Bitcoin topped on the 6th of October 2025 when it got to as high as $126,000. I might be wrong, I might be right, but right now, big action is going to be in the altcoin market. Since April 2025, a lot of altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin dominance has been dumping since then. But a lot of market participants are still stuck in Bitcoin leading the way. Don't be shocked in the coming days and coming weeks. You start seeing a lot of influencers pivoting to the altcoin market. First is Zcash now, that's a privacy coin that is pumping, and I'm talking about Near Protocol, Dash, Monero, and in less than 3 weeks, we might be talking about the whole altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. Don't forget, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. You have to have a plan, guys. If you don't have a plan going in, you're going to get rinsed in the cryptocurrency market, the most volatile market in the world. Huge moves can happen in 24 hours. If you're shorting the market, you can get liquidated in 24 hours. If you're long in the market, you can make your biggest trade in 24 hours. The last 24 hours has seen a lot of market participants get liquidated. More than 139,000 traders have gotten liquidated. Total liquidation is coming around $334 million. Largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $3.47 million. Just a month ago, we saw the biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. We have a lot of market participants still in PTSD mode. So the higher we go, the more they doubt the rally. The higher we go, the more they say, this time is different. We're not going to pump to the moon. This is just a dead cat bounce. I believe this is the start of altcoin season. Talking about altcoin season, according to the altcoin season index, right now, we're not in an altcoin season. Right now, we're halfway to an altcoin month. An altcoin month means over the last 1 month, is altcoins outperforming Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin performing the altcoin market? The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin lose 7% of its value. Some altcoins are already outperforming Bitcoin. I believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, it will be clear that we are heading towards an epic altcoin season. But for us to say we're in an altcoin season, guys, we need to see 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Right now, Bitcoin is down 12% over a 90-day period. A lot of altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin. I expect to see more altcoins outperform Bitcoin over the next few days. Let's look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. The Senate Committee unveils crypto structure bill draft. The Senate Agri Committee has released a draft bill outlining the proposed regulatory jurisdiction of the country's two main financial market regulators. Bitmain charters surge as price recovers. US government shutdown near end. Bitmain has bought more Bitcoin. They're expecting Bitcoin to pump to the moon. US government finally opened up after 41-day shutdown. The Senate passed a bill on Monday to end the record US government shutdown, while Bitcoin has been trending on social media as it soared 6.7% to as high as $106,000. Bitmain stamps up 34% more BTC last week as prices dipped. Bitmain goal is to get to as much as 5% of Ethereum total supply and bought more than 110,000 Ethereum, costing $12.5 billion in their treasury. That's very crazy. Bitmain is accumulating Ethereum at a very record pace. You're trying to outstart Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor did the same thing with Bitcoin. Will Bitmain have similar success with Ethereum? Only time will tell. If you look at the meme coin market, top 10 meme coins in the currency market. We saw Dogecoin rallying over the last 7 days. Pepe, Shiba Inu, official Donald Trump, Bonk. We're seeing some life come back to the meme coin market. I'm paying close attention to the meme coin market, this market cycle. I strongly believe, guys, that's where most of the gains are going to be made. When the market is pumping, it's always funny. That's when you see market participants buying memes just because it's funny. And the next few days, the next few weeks, we're going to see a lot of memes pumping aggressively. But only have a plan before you buy these memes, because these memes are very volatile. They are even more volatile than the altcoins we see in the cryptocurrency market. The top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization is still not unchanged. It's still unchanged. Cardano is still in the top 10, up 7% the last 1 week. Dogecoin up 8%, Tron up 5%, Solana is up 5%, BNB is up 2% over the last 7 days. XRP up 8%. Ethereum and Bitcoin still struggling over the last 1 week. Expect to see more lower cap altcoins having the time of their life. Now, if you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, which is roughly around the 60% region, I'm expecting that big decline for Bitcoin dominance. A lot of market participants are expecting Bitcoin to pump, so they're expecting Bitcoin dominance to increase. I'm staying on the other side of it. I believe the crowd is wrong at the extreme. The crowd is wrong when they are saying we're going to do one thing. The market always finds a way to punish most market participants. So imagine altcoins pumping aggressively when most market participants are offside altcoins. Imagine Bitcoin dominance dumping to as low as 51%. That's when you hear people talking about altcoin season. That's when you hear people flipping their Bitcoin to the altcoin market, thinking the rally will go on forever. One thing is sure, guys, after the pump comes the dump. After the rally comes the decline. Right now, when the early phase of the rally, right now when phases where Bitcoin dominance is not dumping, the end of the cycle is when Bitcoin dominance dump aggressively. We saw it in 2021, we saw it in 2017, 2021. We saw Bitcoin dominance dumping by 35% in just 56 days. That signaled the end of the cycle. In 2017, 2018, we saw Bitcoin dominance also dumping by 50% in 35 days. That signaled the end of the cycle. I believe November and December is going to be critical for altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. We're going to see a lot of bears get liquidated. We're going to see Bitcoin stall, and we're going to see altcoins pumping to the moon and sentiment return back to extreme grade. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency markets. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Have you bought into the altcoin market? Do you believe this rally? Do you believe we're heading for the biggest pump of 2025? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.